Hello, and welcome back to Qlip English.
Hi everyone, we're very happy to see you here today.
Before we start, make sure you are ready to speak with us. Don't just listen, repeat the sentences out loud. Pause if you need to. This is your time to practice real English. Let me ask you something. When you speak English, how do you feel?
Honestly, I feel nervous. My heart beats fast, I feel shy.
That is very common. Many beginners think confidence means speaking perfect English, but that is not true.
So, confidence is not perfect grammar.
No, confidence means speaking even when your English is simple.
I am afraid of mistakes.
Repeat after me. I am afraid of making mistakes.
I am afraid of making mistakes.
Very good. Now say, I feel nervous when I speak English.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
Good. When you speak to someone, you don't need big vocabulary, you need honest sentences.
But when I talk to someone, I forget everything.
That happens because you are thinking too much. Your brain becomes stressed.
Yes, I think too much before I speak.
Say, I will speak first, I will think later.
I will speak first, I will think later.
Good. When you speak first, your confidence grows.
But what if people laugh?
Most people are not thinking about your mistakes, they're thinking about themselves. Repeat.
People are thinking about themselves.
Real confidence begins with one decision. Say, my English does not have to be perfect.
My English does not have to be perfect.
Now say, I just need to communicate.
I just need to communicate.
That is powerful. Communication is the goal, not perfection. Crystal, when someone speaks fast English, what do you feel?
I feel lost. I don't understand everything.
That is normal. Confidence means saying something when you don't understand. Say, sorry, could you speak more slowly?
Sorry, could you speak more slowly?
Or, could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
These simple sentences give you power. When you know what to say, your fear becomes smaller. Confidence grows one sentence at a time.
One sentence at a time. I like that.
Imagine you are in a room. People are speaking English fast and laughing. What do you feel?
I feel small. I feel like my English is not good enough.
Many beginners compare themselves to others.
So, what should I think instead?
Say, I am still learning.
I am still learning.
That word still is powerful. It means you are growing. Now say, it's okay to be a beginner.
It's okay to be a beginner.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes are temporary.
Mistakes are temporary.
Now imagine you are at work. Your colleague asks you a question. You don't understand. What do you usually do?
I smile and say nothing.
Silence does not build confidence. Speaking does. Say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Or, can you say that one more time?
Can you say that one more time?
Native speakers use these too. You are not weak, you are responsible.
I never thought about it like that.
Sometimes beginners say, I understand everything, but I can't speak.
Yes, that's me.
Fear blocks your words, not your knowledge. Say, I will speak even if the sentence is simple.
I will speak even if the sentence is simple.
Simple sentences are strong. For example, I think this is a good idea.
I think this is a good idea.
Stop saying, my English is bad. Instead say, my English is improving.
My English is improving.
When you change your words, you change your mindset. Many beginners think they need big vocabulary, but simple, clear sentences work best.
Sometimes I try to use difficult words and I get confused.
Yes, you lose your message. When you need time, say, let me think for a moment.
Let me think for a moment.
When you forget a word, say, how do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
Proud. That sentence keeps the conversation alive. Imagine you are meeting someone new. What can you say?
Hi, my name is Olivia. Nice to meet you.
Warm. Perfect. And you can add, I'm still learning English.
I'm still learning English.
Reassuring. That sentence removes pressure. People become more patient. Let's practice real situations. Imagine you are in a cafe.
Polite. Hi, I'd like a coffee, please.
Good. Now imagine you need help in a new city. Say, "Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the train station."
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Proud, clear, polite, confident. In a meeting, just say, "I have an idea."
Confident. I have an idea.
Strong, short, direct, strong. You don't need to give a long speech, you just need to participate. Now, confidence is not only about words, it is also about your body and your voice.
Curious. My body?
Yes, when you look down, your brain feels small. When you lift your head, your brain feels stronger. Gentle. Try this. Sit straight. Take a slow breath. Now say, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Confident. Hi, nice to meet you.
Curious. How did that feel?
Smiling. It felt more solid.
Calm. Many beginners speak too fast because they're nervous. Say, "I will speak slowly and clearly."
Calm. I will speak slowly and clearly.
Encouraging. Speaking clearly is more important than speaking fast. Confidence is about control. Control your breathing. Control your speed.
Grateful. I like that. It feels practical.
Now, let's talk about mistakes. If you want real confidence, you must learn how to handle them calmly.
Honestly, that's the hardest part for me.
Gentle. When you make a mistake, what do you feel?
Vulnerable. I feel embarrassed. I want to stop talking.
Reassuring. Stopping is not the solution. Continuing is. If you say something wrong, say, "Sorry, I mean..."
Practicing. Sorry, I mean...
Warm. For example, "I went to the movie yesterday." Sorry, I mean last week.
Natural. I went to the movie yesterday. Sorry, I mean last week.
Encouraging. Native speakers correct themselves all the time. Or say, "Let me say that again."
Calm. Let me say that again.
Strong. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about recovering quickly.
Smiling. Recovering quickly. I like that phrase.
Warm. Repeat. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Encouraging. Now say, "Mistakes help me improve."
Confident. Mistakes help me improve.
Light. When you treat mistakes lightly, other people do the same.
Realizing. So the problem is not the mistake, it's my reaction.
Exactly. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It is speaking even when you feel nervous. Say, "I choose to speak."
I choose to speak.
Inspiring. When you choose to speak, you are growing. Every time you speak, your fear becomes smaller.
Hopeful. I can feel that change starting.
Warm. That's wonderful. Keep practicing. Keep showing up.
Grateful. Thank you. I feel stronger than before.
Serious. Before we end, let me leave you with something powerful. Confidence is the first step, but there is something even bigger waiting for you.
Curious. What is it?
Thoughtful. Right now, when you speak English, you are translating in your head. You think in your language first, then translate, then speak. That is why you feel stuck.
Agreeing. Yes, that is exactly what I do.
Inspiring. Imagine if your brain could think directly in English. No translation, just natural thoughts in English.
Amazing. Is that really possible?
Confident. Yes. And in our next episode, we will show you how. The title is How to Train Your Brain to Think in English. We will share simple daily habits to help your brain switch to English naturally.
Exciting. That sounds amazing. I really need that.
Encouraging. So make sure you follow or subscribe so you don't miss it.
Warm. And share this episode with someone who feels nervous about speaking English.
Motivating. Choose one sentence from today and use it in real life. Just one. Small actions create big change.
Gentle. Remember, your English does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be spoken.
Warm. See you in the next episode. Take care.